guys, this is Tina from Shabbydabbydoodah. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to just have a quick look at all the goodies that we made during our Tagtastic series. So I'm running a giveaway. Now let me just check the date that I've got here. So the giveaway drawing is going to be on the Sunday, as far as I'm aware, it's Sunday the 11th of August, okay? So the drawing is going to be drawn on Sunday the 11th of August. And the reason it's kind of a little bit ahead is just to give everybody time to obviously put their links into the video description below. So the links for all the videos, the links from all the videos need to be obviously in the chat of the videos. So anything that you've put links to, so either your pictures or your YouTube channel, or maybe a vlog or blog that you have, a vlog or a blog, or a Facebook group, if you know how to, link photos to that, or, share photos from that. They don't have to be photos, of course, they can be videos, your Instagram, whatever, however you want to share your photos. The video or the links need to be in the video descriptions. Now, I don't know how I'm going to do the giveaway yet. So that's the only thing that I will say, is I don't know whether I'm going to be able to take from one video, add them all up, or whether I would have to do like a drawing from one and a drawing from another, drawing from another, drawing from another, and then do, a final drawing out of just the names that got picked from the first 7 videos. I'm not too sure. I will have to see how the how the links are, and kind of go from there really. The only thing that I will say is entries for the giveaway, even if you've made a comment on the video, which I really appreciate, and I'm really hoping that you absolutely loved the series and maybe felt inspired to join in. But unfortunately, you will not be able to be eligible for winning the giveaway. So, if you've put a comment but no link to photos or video or whatever, you won't be able to win the giveaway, I'm afraid. So I do apologise about that. But obviously, because I'm making this a challenge, the giveaway is connected with the challenge. So I really do apologize for any disappointment, and I hate kind of discluding people, but I mean, I'm hoping that you will feel encouraged to maybe, if you haven't done it before, to maybe share some photos on your Instagram or share some photos in the Facebook group. So hopefully it's going to be an encouraging way to to spur you on to share some photos and kind of from there. So let's have a look and see all what we made. So by the way, sorry, just to re-emphasize, the drawing will be, did I say Sunday the 11th of August, so keep your eyes peeled. Sorry, the drawing will probably take place on the Saturday. The video will go up on the Sunday the 11th of August. So get your links and all of that, get them all on there by Saturday the 10th. The video will be up on Sunday the 11th. Sorry, I should have made that more clear. Right, now, how many tags did we make? Let's do that first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to put them in piles of 10. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 20. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 50. Okay, oops, is that one? Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 60. Wow, we're up to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 64 tags we made. So out of our 7 days of the Tagtastic series, we've made 64 tags. So, I mean, I'm feeling pretty chuffed with that. That's, you know, that's quite a good week's work, isn't it? So, oops, I just noticed that this needs snipping out. So, I've got to just do it now because it's irritating me. Yeah, quite a good week's work. So, I'm feeling quite chuffed with that. So, let's have a look and see all the lovely, yummy tags that we made, because we made such a huge variety. So, we had obviously the Matchbox style tags. So these are the finished Matchbox tags. I did decorate some after the video, which I have done with all of the tags that we made. I had to kind of decorate some after because I just ran out of time in the videos. Not sure whether I've got them all there actually. Oh no, there's a couple here. There we go. These ones, but they're very cute, aren't they? So that's the Matchbox book ones. We did the envelope tags. So I had put these really neatly in all of the piles, and then since obviously switching, you know, between switching record and now, I seem to have now messed up all of my piles, so that's very annoying. But yeah, they were really neat, in case you're thinking, oh, why didn't she put them in neat piles? I had, would you believe? But yeah, I've messed them all up already. So I'm just going to move them and we'll just kind of do them like this. So these were the envelope tags that we did. That one's got a paper clip actually, but I'm just showing you them because obviously some of them I decorated after the video. So these were the ones with, you know, made from the envelope bases, and they've got obviously, you know, a pocket where the envelope was. So yeah, did some quite different looking ones. I mean, that one's gorgeous, isn't it? Really love that. These, those. So yeah, they are very, very fun tags, aren't they? And then we did the heart tags. So I think the heart ones were, I'm feeling they were the first ones that I did. Let me just put these all together. So yeah, because they've obviously all got now disorganized, not disrummaged, disorganized they've become. So yeah, I'm just trying to kind of like organize them a little bit better again. So okay, have I got all the heart ones? Yep, we did the heart tags. They were in the first episode. So we've got the hearts, and I think we did some as pockets, so you could obviously put, you know, little bits into the pockets. I've just got something here. This is just from my 4-page fussy cuts, the second edition. So I'll just take this out. I hope this will be small enough, but I might well be mistaken. So yeah, let's just take that down. And then yeah, just to demonstrate, obviously with the hearts we did quite a few where we actually then put pockets in those. Oh, that was a pocket at the back. Yeah, I can't remember this. So yeah, we've got pockets in those. So we had that one. We had this gorgeous skinny tag. This one, which I think that might be a pocket. Yep. So again, a pocket in there. This one, which, yep, another pocket. So the hearts were very good for, you know, doing pockets and tucks, weren't they? They proved to be very handy. This, I think we did this as a belly band, if I recall. Yeah, I mean, obviously this piece is too wide, but you can see that was a belly band through there. So, yep, and a bit different, like the angel wings with the pocket there. And then this one here. So, yep, that's the heart tags. We did the slide tags. So the, oops, get all of the slides. So we got the slides. Now, again, I'm showing you through all of these because I'm not sure whether I did these all with you or whether I maybe finished some off after the video. But I love how these turned out. They are so pretty. Absolutely love them. And they were using the vintage slides. So genuine vintage slides these were. So, yeah, loving those. Then we did the these ones with the acetate kind of windows. So, and these ones, if I recall, these are a side pocket as well. So they will have a side pocket somewhere. So here we've got a side pocket here. So just to kind of demonstrate, obviously you could then put things into your pockets. So they're very cute, aren't they? I have to say, I absolutely love this one. I don't know whether I did this on video or whether I did this in slow time, but really lovely. That's my yellow roses paper and my fussy cut botanicals. But don't they just look gorgeous together? I've got this one, again, a pocket in the side, and this is just that handmade paper. So love that. We've got this one, which was from my Rich Damask, and it's got the, again, botanicals there, and just a pocket here in the side where we've just popped that. Sorry if you can hear Bo, she's groaning, obviously telling me I'm being too loud and I'm disturbing her. We've got this one, again, with a pocket here in the side. Oops. And the card there in the side. Okay, and then we've got this one. Again, pocket here in the side. This is my English Country Garden papers. They look very pretty, don't they? Then we've got this one here. Again, this is the, I think it's the Roses collection papers. And again, the botanicals and a coloured book plate. Just looks so pretty, doesn't it? This one, again, it's the Roses papers and a sort of cluster rose there from my perfume collection pieces. So super loving that. We've got this one. Again, not sure which side the pocket is. Oh, it's here. So very cute. This one here. I mean, they're just really lovely tags, aren't they, to be honest? So yeah, really love those. Also, share below which tags do you like the best, you know, out of all the finished tags, because I have to say, a moment ago I thought, oh, I think I like the you know, the vintage slide tags best, but now I'm looking through these, I'm actually loving these the best. But I have to say, I'm really liking the applique ones, and also I really like these ones, which we'll look at in a moment. So I've then got the hangy tags, or the, you know, the flippy tags. So they have the two tags together where you've got obviously one and then the other one. So you've got kind of secret journaling space there. So that one, got a big one here. And I just left the backs plain, because obviously that's going to give you your journaling space. So, you know, if you wanted to decorate the underneath tag, that would be fine too. I thought leave them plain, because that's maximising obviously the journaling space that you've got. Whoops. This one here. I mean, they're just so lovely, aren't they? This one, I mean, I feel so excited. This one, as you can see, I did put some extra paper in. So just to kind of demonstrate, you know, if you didn't want it completely plain, you could always put some paper on there as well. So, you know, they're quite nice like that, aren't they? This one here, again, I've put the paper in. And then this one here, I love this one. It's so pretty, isn't it? And then this one, again, what I did, I've put some plain paper in and a label on there. So, you know, up to you kind of how you finish them off. I've obviously left them all plain on the others. I mean, partly probably because I just was running out of time, but partly I just think they're actually fine like that. But if you wanted to then put some plain paper in with the label or anything, then, you know, they look nice like that too. Then we've got these ones. Now, I can't remember what we actually called these, but these were taken from, the idea was taken from Natasha over at Treasure Books. And she had that brilliant slot-in pocket with obviously a journal card here. So I don't remember the name of these, I do apologize, but the card then slots in, so it looks, oops, it's got the appearance of a pocket, but it's actually got secret journaling space there, and of course you've got the journal space on the back of the original tag as well. So absolutely love these. They are very, very cool. And you know, if you made some of these along with me, you know, you'll know that we actually kind of talked about the fact these were a little bit on the fiddly side, but not beyond the realms of, you know, being able to do them. And to be honest, definitely worth the fiddly, you know, the fiddly nature, because they actually are, you know, really lovely tags, aren't they? Is that one? Got this one here. I love this. This is my French collection papers mixed with a piece from the Paris collection. Don't they just look gorgeous? And then we've got a bow from my bright bows and a butterfly. Don't they look gorgeous? So yeah, these are very, very fun. I mean, to be honest, already I've forgotten how we make these, and you know, I'll have to revisit when I want to make some more of these, because yeah, memory like a sieve, and so already that's gone from my mind, because I've now made so many other tags. But they are very, very fun. I'm not taking them out, all of them, because you know, I'm just kind of trying to rush through the video and obviously not then be spending ages putting them all back in. But yeah, they do all slot, you know, slot in and everything, but I don't want to have to kind of fiddle around. I love this one. Really, really love this one. So this collage page in the background, this is just from my vintage toppers pieces, and you get some background pages, and that's what that collage page is. And just mixed with a rose from the Junk Journal Basics 2 and my Bright Roses. I think that's from the Bright Roses. And yeah, I pulled that out by mistake, so now I have to thread it through. There we go. They're so nice, aren't they? Absolutely love them. So that's those. And then the final ones that we made, and these were the final ones that we actually made, funnily enough. Were they? No, they might not have been, actually. I can't remember, I'm afraid. I'm so sorry. We've got the applique ones with the stickers. So we've got the sticker here, and then the appliques as a sort of feature there on the tags. So aren't they just absolutely gorgeous? Really, really, really love them. So, and I'm just showing them because I did finish, I think I finished these two off camera. I think we did the rest mainly together. So yeah, we've got an abundance of tags. Like I say, we did 64 altogether, so feel very, very excited to have 64 ready-made tags. Absolutely love it. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed the series. Don't forget, obviously, to share your links below so that we can then enter you for the giveaway. The giveaway drawing is the 11th of August. And yeah, good luck, everybody. So, oh, I'm so sorry. I suddenly realised that I actually forgot to say what the giveaway prize was. So the giveaway prize is going to be £50 of my digis. So £50 of anything that you like, digis, from my Etsy shop. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do that, because I don't know whether I can just email out a gift card and then you buy them, or whether you would have to email me the 50 that you would, you know, the £50 worth of goodies that you would like. But, you know, £50, hopefully, you know, you would get a lot of, you know, really a lot of goodies. So, yeah, it would keep you busy and keep you in, you know, in playing with things for a long, long time. So, yeah, I hope that that you like the series. So I just thought I'd best quickly hop back on and say that. Yep, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much then. Bye. Oh, I'm so sorry. I suddenly realised that I actually forgot to say what the giveaway prize was. So the giveaway prize is going to be £50 of my digis. So £50 of anything that you like, digis, from my Etsy shop. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do that, because I don't know whether I can just email out a gift card and then you buy them, or whether you would have to email me the 50 that you would, you know, the £50 worth of goodies that you would like. But, you know, £50, hopefully, you know, you would get a lot of, you know, really a lot of goodies. So, yeah, it would keep you busy and keep you in, you know, in playing with things for a long, long time. So, yeah, I hope that that you like the series. So I just thought I'd best quickly hop back on and say that.